Hello and welcome back to Papa Austin's Kitchen. Today we are making some chicken and pineapple skewers. To start off, we're going to get us a tub of water and we're going to soak our skewers for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to grab a pineapple and we're going to dice it up. After we've done that, we're going to grab us 2 chicken breasts, chop them up the same. Try and make sure your pieces are even here and get a good even cook on them. Now in a large mixing bowl, we're going to get some olive oil going and we're going to season it with some salt and pepper. The great thing about this recipe is the pineapple actually seasons the chicken too, so it makes it real nice. The enzymes break down the chicken a little bit. It makes it pretty much fall apart in your mouth while you're eating. It's real nice. Now you can season this however you like. You can use whatever spices you like. I went kind of bland today, but you can do whatever you want. We're going to go ahead and add in our pineapple and our chicken, and we're going to give that a real thorough mix. You want to make sure all the parts are coated evenly. Now me personally, I like getting in there with my hands. It just means that I can get in there and make sure everything gets moved around, everything gets coated, and I don't miss anything. Now we're going to grab our skewers out of the water. And we're going to go ahead and start alternating between pineapple and chicken all the way up the skewer. Now this recipe does 8 skewers. Unfortunately I only had 5 and I didn't have time to go run to the store, so we made do. And ironically enough, you can actually cook the leftover pineapple and chicken in the skillet and it makes a pretty awesome taco. Now once we got all the skewers done, we're just going to give it a nice little sprinkle of some chili powder. Give it that nice sweet kick. And make sure you get both sides. You can add as much as you want or as little as you want. I had a 2-year-old that was eating this and she loved it with this amount of chili on it. Now into a dry pan, we're going to put our skewers. Now this recipe is much better on the grill, but it's 28 degrees. So I'm not going to go outside today. About halfway through, you can put a little olive oil in there. Finishes off real nice. Now we're going to get our cucumber salad going. Now, cucumber salad was a wonderful accompaniment to this dish. You're going to start by taking 1 cucumber, dicing it up real nice. This is how I dice them. I could be doing it wrong. If I'm wrong, let me know. If there's a better way to do it, I'd love to hear it. Try and keep the pieces about as uniform as you can when you're dicing this up. It doesn't have to be perfect, but me personally, I like everything to be roughly the same size. Now you're going to take a red onion, you're going to dice it up just like you did the cucumber, and that's all going to go into a nice little mixing bowl. And watch your fingers here. I was not doing this very safely. I almost cut myself a couple of times. So, as always, just be careful when you're using sharp objects, and always use a sharp knife. Now, once you've finished with your dices, we're going to put it into our mixing bowl with 1 whole lemon, just the juice. Some people might want to add the zest in here. I felt that the juice of a medium-sized lemon was more than enough. And then we're going to add in just a little bit of honey. I added about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons in here. I know, seems weird, but trust me, it works. We're also going to add a little bit of pepper. About a teaspoon's worth of pepper was more than enough for me. And there you have it. Y'all come on back now.